Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. So we'll go ahead and map out the current range. Prices continue to push higher. This is the last low that broke this high. Now you can go ahead and readjust this to being the current range up here because this did break the new high. But that's a little smaller of a range. I wouldn't be expecting any type of pullback because the price continue pushing higher. Obviously, it broke out of this trading side when it was trading sideways here, and then earlier on, the price started to move and increasing buying pressure and broke out past the former highs. So right now, just waiting to see how far prices can go. I'm checking in and looking at any news this week to see if any type of pullback could be possible. Didn't give any significant pullback last time. I was waiting to see if it could retrace back into discount in order to give us any type of buying opportunities down lower. But as you can see, it just traded sideways, no real retracement, not even close to 50%. And prices continue to push higher, so buyers are still active. And this is now the strong higher low. This shouldn't be broken, and we'll change the bias to a bearish sentiment. But right now, no opportunities to buy, too high to buy. Not looking to trade any type of reversal, waiting to see if price can give us a setup for any type of buying opportunities. GBP USD. Well, prices continue to push higher. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. Again, no significant pullback. This is a pullback that did break a new low, so you could make your range just between these candles. But I'll keep it overall view because this was the last major high that was broken. And as you can see, prices continue to push up since last night. So this is the strong higher low. I won't change anything. This is the low that will be broken to change my sentiment to bearish. But as you can see, prices just continue to push higher. Broke out past the highs. Not getting a little retracement. But only looking for any type of retracement back in the discount to see if there's any type of buying opportunity and bullish momentum shift. Right now, just like with your USD, it's too high to buy. I'm not interested in trading any reversals with all the news and going on any type of dollar news or anything like that. AUD USD. So let's go ahead and map out the current range. Prices continue to move higher, just with the other US dollar pairs as the dollar starts breaking down. Obviously, this looked like a consolidation with liquidity building under these lows, but buyers still continue to push prices higher. Broke out past the highs of the range, just like with NZD USD, but this took a little bit longer. So AUD USD is now still swing structure bullish, fractal structure bullish, still breaking out past these highs. So as prices continue to push higher, not looking for any type of selling opportunity, not interested in any type of reversals, but looking for any type of pullback and any type of bullish momentum shift. It'll allow for any opportunity to buy, as clearly buyers are still in control with no signs of retracement. And again, it's too high to buy. NZD USD prices. Let's go map out the current range, and this is similar. Prices continue to push higher as the dollar is getting weaker. With all these pairs, expecting any type of retracement after this consolidation and liquidity building under these lows. Expecting any type of retracement, but we're not going to see that happening. Oh well, it could happen, but for now, prices continue to push higher, still breaking out past lows, fractally bullish, swing structure bullish, but it's at the top of the range, so not looking for any type of selling opportunities, not interested in any reversals, and also not looking for any type of buying opportunities as it is way too high, way past the highs of the previous range, and continue making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, still consolidating, but now currently breaking out a little bit, but we'll see if it retraces back, but only interested in any opportunities when it does retrace back into discount, and look for any opportunities to buy on any type of demand area, which we don't know if it will retrace all the way back into discount because this buying pressure has been increasing. We're waiting to see if any type of opportunity presents itself, but once it does retrace back and sellers start to step back in. GBP AUD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. So this continues to trade sideways. Continues to consolidate in the sideways range. As you can see, not making any type of higher highs, higher lows. These are the highs. It's still trading in between. It's formed some support with all these lows, but prices are trading slightly higher. Took out this high, but no significant move in any direction. So waiting to see what price can do if it does start to break out. It's possible that this has formed another higher low after this consolidation, and it could push back, push toward higher prices. But if not, that means these sellers from here are still in control, and they will push prices down. I'm waiting for any type of retracement back into premium in order to take a sell back down to lower prices. Like I've been saying, it's pretty liquidity sitting under these lows. It's been consolidating, but still hitting higher highs, higher lows. It's the first time the sellers made any significant move in this cross pair. This does tend to follow dollar index, but right now trading very slowly and just consolidating sideways. Just looking for any opportunity once the move is made. GBP NZD. So we'll go ahead and map out the current range. With this significantly breaking down lower. Unlike GBP AUD, this did take out the lows of the previous structure. But right now, just like with GBP AUD, continue to consolidate sideways. Liquidity sitting over these highs, but continues to trade sideways, making new lows. Right now, in the middle of the range that it's currently in, not making any highs, any fractal highs. So swing structure is bearish. Fractal structure is bearish, but it hasn't given any type of retracement back in the premium, any type of retracement at all, really. These highs haven't been touched yet, so not looking for any type of buying opportunities right now. I mean, there is liquidity sitting over these highs, but sellers continue to push down, just like with GBP AUD. So not interested in any type of reversal play right now. Not looking for any type of selling. I am looking for selling opportunities, but right now where the price is, don't see any opportunity. We'll have to retrace, in my opinion, in order for me to take any type of selling opportunity, but nothing is showing up right now. It does look like it is just an expanding consolidation, expanding triangle. So normally I would be looking for any type of Wyckoff distribution or accumulation. If this does end up being like the selling climax and the secondary test and then the springs, then I'll be interested in possibly getting in a long. That's only if price action plays out like that, because like I said, these sellers are getting strong. It's not even getting back any type of retracement. When buyers do step back in, it's only for a little while, and then sellers continue to step back in. So depends on how that structure would look in order for me to get interested in buys, and I wouldn't stay in that trade any type of significant time, not too long. But we'll continue to continue to watch out. But right now, like I said, just trading in the middle of this range, so I'm not looking for any looking to get in any trades. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.